Greetings, plant pals. Ready for a wild gardening adventure? Hang on tight because we're about to explore the crazy world of choosing the perfect growing medium for your system and plants. Get ready to rock those roots. 1. Soil, the OG choice. It's like comfy jeans for plants. 2. Peat moss, the diva of growing mediums. High maintenance but fabulous. 3. Coir, made from coconut husks. It's like a tropical vacation for plants. 4. Permiculite, fluffy clouds for roots. Keeps plants hydrated in the blazing sun. 5. Perlite, bubbles of happiness. Plants feel like they're floating on air. 6. Rock wool, hydroponic rockstar. Gives plants the support to rock out. 7. Sand, beachy buddy. Great for hot and dry plants. Don't forget the sunscreen. 8. Cocoa chips, trendy newcomers. Adds texture and makes plants feel fancy. 9. Compost, magical elixir. Nutrient buffet for happy plants. 10. Hydrogel crystals, water wizards. They swell up and keep plants hydrated like heroes. There you have it, green thumbs. Choosing the right growing medium is like finding the perfect dance partner for your plants. So go forth, experiment, and let your plants groove in their personalized soil mix. Gardening is all about fun and nurturing nature, so get out there and let your thumbs turn green. Happy growing, party people.